In this video today, I'm going to show you one of the strategies and the things that you need to do and the things you need to get before you can start making money on SellPass. Now, before we go on, what are those things that you need to get started first to start making money on this platform called SellPass? The first thing is you need an affiliate account. An affiliate account is like a membership account on this platform that will give you access to the marketplace that you can go and pick a product and sell to people who need those products. Now, you need to become an affiliate to be able to sell a product and get paid on this platform. There are two ways to become an affiliate on this platform. One is to register directly on the website and upgrade your account with just 10,000 naira yearly fee to become an affiliate. Now, this 10,000 naira you're going to pay now is going to give you access to the marketplace. Now, why most times I don't really like people to just go on that route is because they will just register and the next thing you see them talking about is how we dare sell. What is the next thing to do? Because you don't just jump into affiliate marketing without getting proper guide. That is why I always advise people to get the complete 247 IP course. This is a course by SellPass that will help you to learn about affiliate marketing and how to sell digital products on the internet. And that course gives you a 1-year free access on SellPass. So instead of you to pay 10,000 naira, you are going to pay 20,000 naira. That means you are paying for the course and also you are paying for mentorship and also you are paying for your SellPass accounts. So if you see the difference now, one is you are paying for only 10,000 naira, which is just like you already know how to sell product on the internet and you want to just try to use SellPass to make money. That is if you know how to sell online and if you know how affiliate marketing works. Then you need to just register on the platform. I'm going to drop the link inside the description of this video so that you can go and use the link and register directly on the website without paying anybody. Then when you register on that platform, when you register right now, what you need to just do is to upgrade your account to become an affiliate with just 10,000 naira. Then if you go to the 247 IP course, this 247 IP course now is going to guide you and it has a mentorship group where you need to ask questions about the things that are troubling you or the things that you want to get your hands on so that you can start making money on the internet with SellPass affiliate marketing platform. This course will teach you everything about Facebook advertising, how to pick a product on SellPass, how to sell on SellPass, and a whole lot of other digital skills all in one in that course. Now, the next thing is a product to sell. This is very, very important because not everybody that goes to affiliate marketing actually sell a product. Most will just go into this business model just because they have heard about the money people are making. So if you have that mindset and you jump into SellPass affiliate marketing, trust me, you are not going to make a lot of money because your mindset is still on the money. You don't want to get the skills. So you need to find a product that can actually sell, and make money for yourself. Now, this product you want to sell, you need to ask some series of questions, which is, this product I'm trying to sell right now, do I even understand this product? Is it going to be easy for me to sell this product? Is it going to be easy for my prospect or my clients, my customers to actually see this product and buy it? What problem does this product solve? And a whole lot of other things. Then the next thing is a place to sell this product. This is another issue people, newbies, face in affiliate marketing because they find it so difficult to sell a product after deciding on the one they want to sell. I'm going to show you how SellPass affiliate marketing platform looks like because I'm going to log into one of my affiliate accounts to show you way around this platform. Then a place to sell this product is very, very simple. You can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, you can use Twitter. So all you just need to just do is when you register and become an affiliate on SellPass, the only thing you need to just do is to go to the marketplace, find a product you can actually sell that is going to be easy for you to sell, then start selling it. You can talk about this product on Facebook, you can talk about the benefit of this product on Twitter every single day or even on your WhatsApp status every single time, and you see that people will be interested to know what this product is all about and they will buy this product. The next thing is, that's number 4 here, is traffic source. There are two ways to get traffic. One is to doing it organically. 2 is by paying for adverts. Now, paying for advert is one way, like one of the quickest way, fastest way to get traffic for your affiliate marketing business, because this is where you pay Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or any other platform to give you users, because if you don't get people to see your product every single time, you are not going to make this sale and you are not going to make this money. Now you need a place that can actually go and you start getting people who are going to be seeing this product every single time, and that is when you need to pay for money. So you need to pay for adverts so that people can actually come and see what you're actually selling and also be interested in it. Or you use organic, right? Organic means that you are going to be the one every day you're talking about this product, maybe on Facebook. You are building your audience, you are building your positioning, you are building your authority. You are talking about this product every single time on Facebook. You are even shooting videos, you are doing video content on Instagram or TikTok and other platforms so that people can see the benefit of this product you're actually promoting. This one is going to take a lot of time because it needs you to be 100% available so that every single time you are writing things, you are commenting, or you are posting content, you are posting videos to talk about this product. The last point here is being consistent. People who are not consistent are likely not to make sales. Now, if you are consistent with affiliate marketing, if you already know why you are doing affiliate marketing, if you know why you started affiliate marketing, you don't need to bow down, because a lot of things are going to happen when you start affiliate marketing. One, people are going to reject you, people are going to block you, people are going to call you names, people are going to call you scams because you are bringing an opportunity that seems so strange to them. And for that reason, they are likely not to buy from you. They will block you on WhatsApp or Facebook, anywhere at all, and call you names. So some of these things now can make you to not to focus on what you are doing and make you not to continue doing affiliate marketing. And if you stop, be consistent, the sales will drop. So right now I'm going to log into my account to show you how SellPass affiliate marketing platform looks like and how you navigate your way around it to see what works and how to go about it. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to log in to one of my accounts. Alright, so this is my account here. This is one of my old accounts I'm using on SellPass. You can see in here I have $347 already here and I have $70 commission. Today is Friday, so tomorrow is Saturday. If I click on withdraw, I can only withdraw this money. If I can only place withdrawal only on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So tomorrow this button, this green button, is going to be free, and once I click on it, I'm going to withdraw this money, and SellPass is going to pay me directly to my bank account. So for now, this withdrawal I cannot withdraw because it's not Saturdays and it's not on Wednesdays. So the first thing you need to do now is when you register on SellPass as an affiliate, you are going to see this dashboard. It's going to appear like this, and your own is going to be just 0 0 zeros here. What you need to just do is to find a product you can actually promote and start promoting that product. The first thing you need to do is you need to come to your profile here, come and set up your profile, set up your account information. Let me go to my account information and show you. This account information is where you put your bank name and bank details. Look at my bank details here. Let me just say, you can see this is the first bank, this is my account name, this is my bank account number, and this is it here. So it is where you update it, and if you don't update this thing, SellPass will not pay you, because whenever you place withdrawal, the information is going to be sent to the systems and they will not see your bank account to pay you. So you need to update it first of all before you start promoting any product. Now on the left hand side here are the menus. Alright, there are the menus here. This is where you see everything about your product, everything you need to get started with. So I have here, I have the market. I'm going to just click on marketplace. That's all. Just click on marketplace. They have bestsellers marketplace to show you the things about the marketplace. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to just use one product as an example to show you how you can actually promote this product and make money with it. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to just say, you can see here we have the 247 IP course, which is the original course by SellPass that will teach you everything about affiliate marketing, how to find a product, how to do WhatsApp marketing and automations, how to do Facebook advertising, how to do email marketing, how to design a website, how to create sales funnels, and a whole lot of other things that has to do with online business. Now for here, let me just click on, you can see we have transform your skincare business in 90 days. We have the creative e-commerce business blueprints, and all this course comes with price of it and the commission. You can see everything is now 50% commission. That means if I be able to sell any of these products, let's say I sold this creative e-commerce business blueprints for $60. This $60 now is just 30,000 naira. here. So once I sell it, I'm going to get 15,000 naira. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just click on promote. This is exactly the same way other people are doing it. Okay, you click on promote. Now this is where you see the product details and the owner of the product. Now the seller name is Courage. Now the sale price is $60, commission is 50%. Now this is product details here, date created on SellPass. This is what you need to just do. We have the affiliate link, which is your own personal affiliate link, right? And we have the promotional materials. These two links here are different. The first one, which is the affiliate link, is your unique affiliate link, which is the one you send to people to buy this product. One thing you need to just do now is you need to shorten your affiliate link, because once you send it to people like this, they are likely not to click on it because they will say that what is this link all about, because it's too long. So what I'm going to do now is you need to just click on once you click on this place, now this button, now once it's going to copy your affiliate link. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open this affiliate link into another new tab. Okay, I'm going to open that link to a new tab so that I'll see the product details and what the product is doing, and also how people, your customers, can place orders, right? While this thing is still loading, the next thing I'm going to show here is this resource page, this material page. Now this resource material page now is the product research materials which the product vendor have added to his product so that you can use it and promote their courses. Most of these vendors now will come to SellPass and list their products, right? And they will give you their own resources like promotional materials that you can use to sell their product, because it contains both the testimonials, both the communities, both the support groups, and everything about the product, so that you can actually make money promoting that product for them. So now I choose a product because I want to promote it, for example. Now I've opened this affiliate link separately. What I'm going to do now here is I'm going to read this product sales page to really understand what this product is all about. That is what you need to understand. You need to read the product sales page to really understand the ins and outs about this product and how you can actually sell it. Now, most of this product sales page contains both the objection checklist and the things that your customers might be finding difficult to understand. So you come into the product sales page, you read everything, you'll be equipped with ideas on how to counter this objection, because these people that want to buy your product will question the integrity of this product. So by going through this product sales page, you'll be able to know what this product is talking about and how to sell it and how to position yourself to sell it to people. So you can see here the product sales page says discover the complete e-commerce framework and strategies to making 7 figures income every month by selling hot physical product online with a high profit margin. It is very easy. This one is not you selling digital product. This is selling purely physical product on the internet. So now let me show you the next thing we need to do now here is you just need to scroll down and read everything about the product sales page. Everything you need to read about the product sales page. Read everything about the product sales page. Read it. Then you scroll down, right? You just need to scroll down till you are okay with, maybe you read everything, both testimonials from people, what people are saying about this product, about the product vendor. You can see it here now. That's $60 is 30,000 naira here. Everything is okay. Now, how will your prospect, your customer, place order? That is the most important thing now. Now, after you have sent them this affiliate link, okay, I didn't show you where I have to shorten the affiliate link. You can use tiny URL. Okay, I made a mistake, but I'm going to get the correct spelling. You can use tiny URL. Okay, this is it here. Tiny URL to shorten your affiliate link. Okay, so while this thing is still loading, let me show you what we are talking about here. Once you go through the product sales page, you'll be able to understand what this product is all about and how you can actually sell it to people. So when somebody says, I'm interested to buy, the next thing to tell them is open the product sales page, open the product link again, click on this place that says pay for this product. From here, you fill in the information, that is the prospect first name, the product first name, email, phone number, country, and payment method. I'm going to show you all those things here. The first thing we are going to do now is I'm going to click on the first name. Let me just add 1 or 2 details here. Okay, now I'm add my phone number. Then that's it. Then from here, It's already selected Nigeria already. Now you can select the prospect country here. So mine is Nigeria. I've selected Nigeria. Then I come for payment method, right? Payment method. I can select either Stripe, Flutterwave, or Paystack. For here, let me just select Paystack. Then I'll click on Pay Now. These details is the details of your prospect, not your own personal details. Now when you click on the Paystack button, it's going to appear here. And from here now, the person will authorize the payment automatically. When this person pays for this product, automatically the person gets the product link and details in their email, right? You need to be very, very careful. You need to check both the person's email, your prospect email, customer email, to verify that this product is this email is actually working. And if they make any mistake, let them correct it before you click on place order, because if you click on place order and they made a mistake on their email, you will not be able to reverse it. So the next thing you need to do now is you need to just come here. You put the person details, card details, number, the expiring date, the CCV, that's the 3-digit number at the back of that product sales page. Now you can select another payment method. You can select pay with bank. You can select the pay with transfer, USSD. You can play with pay attitude or Visa QR code. Choose the one for you want to use and make the payment. And anyone that works for you, go with it, right? Now we are coming to the end of this video anyways. So the next thing I'm going to do now is, I want to show you why you need to shorten your affiliate link. The reason why you need to shorten your affiliate link is to help people to really understand what you are talking about. So here I'm just click on, this is my product sales page here. Now you can see this long affiliate, this long link. Now if I click and say e-commerce, this is e-com, let me just shorten it. Then I'll shorten the affiliate link. Automatically this long link now is, you can see now, this long link now is not this one. This long link is not this one. Now click on copy. This is the same link you're going to send your prospects when they say they are interested to buy, when they say they are interested to get this product or the offer you are promoting. Now from this same link, now let me copy it and open this in a new tab. Okay, it's just the same thing. Once I click on open, it's going to open the same sales page that I opened before. So just watch it and see how the magic happens from this end. So this is how you can actually make, or this is actually how you can make your first $100. Now the first thing you need to do, the next thing again is you need to find buyers who are ready to buy this product, and you need to know how you can counter objections. And you need to know, countering objection is the same thing as you reading the product sales page to understand everything about this product, how to get people to buy your product, and how to make them to understand that the product is going to help them, benefit them, and going to be a value to them. So nobody wants to buy a product and after buying that product they'll start regretting why they make such investment. So you must really understand the product you are selling, what it does for people, and how easily it's going to be for you to sell that product. So I'm going to leave a link. Even this particular course now, if you want to go into e-commerce anyways, I'm a guru in e-commerce. If you want to go into e-commerce business or importation business, I'm going to leave some links inside the description of this video so that you can use that link to either get back to me or get some of the products I'm going to recommend for you. So see you the next time.